In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delivery notes in Zoho Books. After successfully accessing your Zoho Books homepage, note that in some versions of Zoho Books, delivery notes are sometimes called delivery challenge. So to add this, on the upper right corner of the screen, simply navigate to the blue button with the plus icon inside. When you click this represents Quick Create and it will present you various options. Under Sales, simply navigate to Delivery Challenge. This will then display a form wherein you input the details and information about the delivery challenge. You input in here the customer name, the delivery challenge number, the DCD or delivery challenge date, and the challenge type as well. After providing the necessary information and details about this on the item table, you simply input the item table that are involved on the DC. And after providing all necessary information and details, we can click Save as Drop in here. And now we have successfully created a delivery challenge. And that's about it. That's how to create delivery notes in Zoho Books. And that's about it. That's how to make delivery notes in Zoho Books. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.